that we can make contact as civilians. We do not have to wait for the governments to do it. The universe is really folded within each one of us. That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible to each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit. You then engage in what is called coherent thought sequencing, which is when you essentially go into their electronics but also into their mind with permission and tell them that you are an ambassador from Earth. And then in a very clear, coherent fashion, you show them where you are. So let's say that you've picked up that there's an object around the rings of Saturn, and you see these beings. You show them then how to go from Saturn to Earth. You show them that you're in north of London. You show them, you zoom into, the United Kingdom coming in from space. You show them what your house and your neighborhood and your field and wherever it is that you are looks like, and then you zoom them in and you vector them in very, very clearly. And you do this in an unbroken train of thought for as long as it takes.
You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, you know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show me love when you're ready, yeah, yeah, yeah. What can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, you know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show me love when you're ready, yeah, yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. Say, you know me, I got no time to waste. Type of energy that can't be replaced, no debate. We could take it back to my place.